Coconut is good for the brain. Chips are bad for the brain. Avocado is good for the skin. Milk chocolate is bad for the skin. Eggplant is good for the bones. Soda is bad for the bones. Carrots are good for the eyes. Donuts are bad for the eyes. Eggs are good for muscle growth. Alcohol is bad for muscle growth. Peaches are good for the heart. Canola oil is bad for the heart. Mushrooms are good for metabolism. Breakfast cereals are bad for metabolism. Grapes are good for the lungs. Fried foods are bad for the lungs. Sunflower seeds are good for the hair. Candy is bad for the hair. Ginger is good for digestion. Spicy foods are bad for digestion. Oranges are good for the immune system. Red meat is bad for the immune system. Onions are good for cell regeneration. Highly salty foods are bad for cell regeneration. Bananas are good for energy levels. Coffee is bad for energy levels. Watermelon is good for hydration. Fast food is bad for hydration. Pineapples are good for testosterone. Soy is bad for testosterone. If nature didn't make it, don't take it.